What noise does a cow make?
Moo.
What noise does a hawk make?
Ha ha.
How about an eagle? How about a frog?
Yeah. Yeah.
Laugh.
Ribbit.
Yeah.
Ribbit?
Ribbit.
Ribbit?
Yeah.
Ha ha.
Yeah.
What does the dog say?
Love.
What does the cat say?
Yeah.
What does the monkey say?
Ah.
Yeah. What
The
does...
snake say?
Yeah.
How about the bee?
Yeah.
Duck.
Duck. Yeah, what's the duck say?
Crack crack.
What does the goose say?
Don't know. What does the mouse say?
Me.
How about the
Lamb.
Yeah.
What does the sheep say?
Bear.
Bad.
About an
birdie?
owl.
What about a horse? What does the horse say?
Nee.
What does the dinosaur say?
War.
What does the lion say?
what does the owl say?
What's
What
the
does-
frog say?
Rabbit.
Yeah.
chicken?
Bok bok.
What does
Rooster.
Yeah.
What does the bunny say?
Hop.
What
That's the speak and
does
say small. It
the-
says hop and the bunny's on there.
This.
what does the fish say?
Street.
Oh,
Fish
really?
bowl.
Swimming.
Fish
Swimming.
goes swimming. That's right. Yeah. What does the
Moon.
What does the moon say?
Sky.
What does the orange say?
Up and down.
Up and down. Do the wheels on the bus go?
Round around.
All through.
Town.
How about a tractor?
Oh. Crap.
Yeah.
Tractor.
Yeah, good job.
What about a train?
Choo-choo.
Yeah. What does a car say?
Car fast.
Car
Car
fast.
What does the siren say?
Woo-hoo.
What does a siren sound like?
Woo-hoo.
Yeah. What does the
Elephant say?
Moon. Moon.
moon?
What does the moon say?
Sky.
He says sky. What does the star say?
Sky. Twinkle.
What about the melons?
Double.
Down by the
Clock.
Bay.
where the
Watermelons.
Whoa.
back to my
Home.
I dare not,
Go.
for if I do, my
Mustang.
have you ever seen a
Cena.
llama wearing pajamas down by the cat?
Have you ever seen a cat wearing a hat?
How about itsy bitsy spider?
Better.
Can you do itsy bitsy?
Mama.
Itsy bitsy spider
Papa,
and up
Papa.
the water spout. Help me.
Peace. Peace.
You gotta do it too,
Gotta
guys.
help. Ready? Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh, you're not doing
Yeah, he's not even paying attention.
Out the sun and dried up all the rain. So the
Itsy bitsy spider went down.
the spout again.
How about what did the mouse do?
Maybe.
What did he do though? Did he run up the clock?
Hickory dickory dock.
The
The
mouse ran.
up the
Clock.
the clock struck one.
And down he
Ran
hickory dickory.
Bus.
fast.
hickory
That's
dickory.
close.
Can you say bye-bye?
Very fast.
Say wave bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say love you.
Say cheese.
He's like, who's going? What?
Can you wave?
Love you.
Wave to Auntie Cindo.
Wave.
Say
Wave.
bye-bye.
Wave.
She's taking your picture.
Can you wave? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.